Okay, well, it'll come up eventually. All right, where are you at, girls?
Just give me a second. Just gotta grab my phone. I'm into 8-3.
Okay, good. Did you finish most of 8-2?
Yes.
Okay, good. Where's those assignments?
Coming.
Okay, get.
I'm putting them right now.
Okay. Yeah, okay, well, yeah, get those things in, girls. But we're all right. Okay.
I could admit it's pretty rough. I didn't know I know that much.
On the physics one?
Yeah.
You couldn't use the worksheet examples to help you?
I don't know, I just have to listen to something.
Okay. Well, we'll spend some time in about 20 minutes and we'll look at it some more. Okay, so let's start with the pre-calculus right now. Where are you at and what do you need?
I just started into 8.3 yesterday.
Okay.
8.3 I think is very straightforward.
Okay.
It's not especially the first couple questions.
Yeah. You're basically, all you're doing in 8.3 is converting from expanded form to a single logarithm and then vice versa. And that's it.
Yeah.
Okay.
8.3 was not an issue. Well, the part that I did, I still have to finish it.
Yeah.
And 8.2. I think I'm good, honestly.
Okay.
Unless I have questions maybe tomorrow, I'll finish 8.3 today.
Yeah.
I might have some questions at the end of 8.3.
Okay.
Maybe I'll go back and do a little bit more of 8.2, just go over some of the graphic ones especially.
Yep.
But other than that, I think I'm good.
Okay, Rory, did you have questions from 8.2?
No, but can you do number 4C on 8.3?
Yep. Okay, so we gotta rate this as a single logarithm. So I'm just I'll do a couple things at the same time. So log x to the 4th y squared. Yeah, down, up. Is that better?
That's good.
Okay.
That's good.
Okay. And so I transferred that through the brackets. And then I've got plus. Now watch this one. So I moved that 5 up to as an exponent, and then I would have multiplied it in. So I get x to the 15, y to the 20th, okay? And then I get log x negative 3, y negative 2, and all that's to base 4. So now they're all adding, so I can just basically multiply all of these together. So I've got x to the 4th, y squared, x to the 15, y 20, x negative 3, y negative 2. Okay, so I can put them all together as multiplication, and then all I'm doing is adding the exponents at that point. X to the 4th and 15 make 19. 19 subtract 3 is 16. Y squared, y 22, y 20. There's a single logarithm. And actually, I do need the brackets here. That's an important part. I haven't mentioned that near enough. I do need those brackets here, because otherwise, if I don't, it looks like it's log x 16 base 4 and not the y. But it's both of these together. So I get log x 16 y 20 base 4. Okay?
Yeah, that's a lot easier than I thought it was.
Well, I'm guessing that you probably had trouble with that x to the 3, the 1 over x cubed y squared. Knowing to move this up and make them negative numbers here.
Okay.
Okay? All right. Any of the other questions in here that you want to look at?
The only other questions I had was basically the same thing as that one, so now I know how to figure them out.
Okay, perfect. All right, I'll leave 8.3 with you. We'll look at 8.4 tomorrow. So if you can get done 8.3 today, that's ideal. Tomorrow, what we're looking at is actually solving questions with this. So I'll give you a quick example. So I've got the log of 5x add 1 base 4 equals log x plus 17 base 4. And we'd have to solve it by moving to one side, making it a single logarithm. So that's where we're going with this. So I would move this to...
Sorry, did you just take it as 4 to the sort of 5?
No. Okay, so in this question, this one's different. This is an easier question. You notice the bases are the same. They're both the same base, right? So basically, all I need to know is that 5x plus 1 should equal x plus 17 if the left side and the right side are going to equal each other. So I can make this one real simple. I can say, all right, well then 5x plus 1 has to equal x plus 17. 4x equals 16, x is equal to 4. So subtract 1, subtract x, 4x equals 16, divide by 4, I get 4, right? So I actually have to put it in here and check it. So 4 times 5, that would be log of 21. 4 plus 17, log of 21, base 4. They're going to equal each other. So that's where we're going with this, and that's the reason we want to solve it. We want to practice. Okay, now this one didn't really set us up for the practice. I'm going to show you the long way and the reason that we do it this way. So I'm going to erase this now. Again, I'm reiterating this. This is not the way I would do this question, but it's what I want you to see. So I can move these to the one side. Have it equal to 0. Change it to a single logarithm. Because it's a subtract. And then I would change it to exponential function. So I have 5x plus 1 over x plus 17 is equal to 4 to the power of 0. So I would raise that up. That's equal to 1. Then I would multiply and I would get back to what I did before. But that is where we are going with it. Again, this question, it's a lot more work to do it this way. But it's where I want you to understand why we're doing it and how come you have to spend the time that you do on 8.3 to make sure that you can do it. Okay? All right, girls. So is there anything else on 8.3 that we want to look at? Okay. All right, I'm just gonna change out the YouTube, and then let's look at physics. So let's get some physics done here.